Hey Noosa, ready to unlock the secrets to a happier, healthier brain? Meet Kim Serafini, a renowned wellness expert and the world's leading specialist in positive priming. She's bringing you the secrets of achieving a healthy flow state, backed by the latest research from the Brain-Computer Interface Lab at the University of Technology, Sydney. This approach is further validated by extensive studies conducted by the Institute for Applied Positive Research, led by Sean Eichor and Michelle Geelan. Sean Eichor has not only validated this tool, but also featured it on Oprah Winfrey's 21 Days to a Happier Life. And Kim is excited to share this invaluable knowledge with you, completely free of charge. The event title is Neuroscience and Flow, Happiness, Health and Community. It is scheduled for Wednesday, May 15th, 2024 at 10 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, taking place at Sunshine Beach Surf Life Saving Club in Noosa. That's right. Normally a $49 session, Kim is hosting this community-oriented class at no cost to you. Why free? Because Kim believes this powerful knowledge should be accessible to everyone, not just the corporate elite. From her early days working as a change management consultant to her talks at countless Rotary Club meetings, Kim has always been committed to giving back to the community that has supported her journey. What will you gain from this workshop? You'll learn how to harness the science of positive priming to enhance your daily productivity and well-being. Expect to explore practical techniques to maintain a positive mindset, boost your emotional resilience, and activate your personal and professional potential. We'll dive into easy-to-apply strategies that help you manage stress and achieve sustained focus, transforming how you approach challenges and interact with others. Spaces are limited. Join us for a transformative experience and dive into the world of Positive Prime. Let's thrive together, Noosa.